historical, famous river, famous crossing. This is Medicine Belt Truly Crossing. Crossing is a good big long river. This is where Custer came across, and they said Custer got killed right here across the river. The Native American story, the Lakota story.
This is called America. The brooding darkness of these woods fed upon the native blood. In the twisted tangle of the fallen wood, the spirit of the fallen Indian stood. Oh brothers, your identity a mistake. Those who crossed oceans did make. The greed for gold and land laid waste the spirit of wisdom and grace. The children of those who by murder did take are taintless of their forefathers' mistake. But those who lived fed upon the milk of courage and pride stand as spirits of defeat and shame. Oh, the murdered and the murderous, embrace me, let me set your spirits to rest.
Oh, you sure appreciate the beautiful words. Touch my heart. Thank you very much. Oh.
So that's where my journey with Native American things started, and we settled down in that place which is called as Trail of Tears. We've done some work there too. There was pain everywhere in the land.
Yes. We have a long way to come, Native Americans, to heal ourselves from the…
This is the time, this generation, if you raise them well, it's important to maintain your identity, but at the same time to be a part of the mainstream, because otherwise you get left out. You know, it's important that you have both economic power, education, foothold in the society, but not losing your identity. That is where, the strength of building a future is. The problem with most people is if they step into the mainstream, they lose everything that they had, or if they go back, they become reclusive, not part of the real society. It won't work that way. It's important that your youth get educated, but don't forget, there must be regular education, but there must be your own traditional education along with that. That's important.
Thank you. Carry that message for future generations. Thank you very much.
Thank you for having us here.